DJI Mavic Mini Drone Flycam Quadcopter with 2.7K camera 3-axis gimbal GPS 30min flight time. The compact yet powerful Mavic Mini is the perfect creative companion, capturing your moments in a way that effortlessly elevates the ordinary. Weighing under 250 grams, Mavic Mini is almost as light as the average smartphone. Mavic Mini's weight allows it to stay in the air longer than similar consumer flycams on the market. Enjoy up to 30 minutes of flight time with a fully charged battery. In the United States and Canada, you can fly Mavic Mini without the need to register your drone with the government. Mavic Mini supports 12MP aerial photos and 2.7K Quad HD videos. A 3-axis motorized gimbal provides superior camera stability and ensures clear, ultra-smooth footage. Shots that look like they came from a Hollywood film set are just a few taps away with Mavic Mini's quick shot modes, which include Drone, Circle, Helix, and Rocket. Just select your quick shot and Mavic Mini will execute an elaborate preset motion while recording. The new DJI Fly app offers a simple and intuitive user experience, enabling you to create cinematic shots with just a few taps. It even has Flight Tutorial, a feature to help you get started with Mavic Mini quickly and safely. In the box, DJI Mavic Mini, remote controller, intelligent flight battery, pair of spare propellers, micro USB cable, gimbal protector, RC cable, micro USB connector, RC cable, USB-C connector, RC cable, lightning connector, pair of spare controlled sticks, 6x spare screwdriver. Mavic Mini does not have onboard storage and does not come with a microSD card. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.